Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
Speaking of luxury walk-in closet design ideas following the next year trends layout, it's all about good management of the available space. Design professionals have never stopped looking for the best solutions, and thanks to interior designer experience, even the smallest corners of the bedroom can be transformed into exclusive chic spaces. Here we will show you luxurious walk-in closet ideas and follow next year's furniture trends that you can use as inspiration. For the first idea, a luxurious walk-in closet with a stunning French crystal chandelier hangs over a white closest island accented with mirrored panels, nickel and glass pulls, and a marble top. And the number 2, a light blue custom closet features a light blue island donning glass and nickel poles and a mirrored top lit by a blue ikat shade pendant hung from a blue wallpapered ceiling. A luxurious white and pink walk-in closet is lit by a 10-light globe white glass, and a brass chandelier hung over a white island. It is finished with drawers with polished nickel pulls. A custom glam walk-in closet boasts stunning platinum gray French velvet chairs that accented with pink and gold pillows. All of them are placed on a dark stained wood floor facing a mirror top island. A spacious French pink closet features a pink island that are illuminated by a black French chandelier. There is also a pink cabinets that are adorned with cream ornate trim. This is a contemporary white walk-in closet that completed with sleek pendants and upholstered island. The vast walk-in closet has storage for days. In addition to hanging rods, there are several sets of drawers and box storage that extends to the ceiling. A ladder makes it easier to reach those upper shelves. This white contemporary closet is as large as a bedroom and has plentiful storage for all of one's sartorial needs, including 2 islands. A vaulted ceiling features exposed wood ceiling beams for a natural element. This massive walk-in closet offers neutral built-ins with open shelving, an island with lots of drawers and a small closet with glass panel doors to display luxury handbags. This is a contemporary walk-in closet with lots of shelves and storage space give us chance to keep so many dress, shirt, etc. A mirrored top closet island featuring white cabinets and glass wardrobe doors in a stunning and large walk-in closet. This is a closet with dressing area with multiple islands, also custom luxe hold-ups smoke lucite hardware including Urban Electric Company chandeliers, and luxurious touches at every turn. This modern penthouse features a walk-in closet with floor-to-ceiling shoe storage. It also features accessory storage, clothing racks, and oversized windows for natural light. A well-organized walk-in closet uses different types of cabinets and shelving to store shoes, pants, shirts, and hats. A long white dresser is also inside the closet, the top of which is used to store jewelry and display several vases filled with white flowers. A skylight lets in natural light over this bright, white walk-in closet. A decorative double-door closet features a 3D design and crystal door knobs. Stacks of drawers are topped with white countertop and a built-in open storage shoe shelf. A rose rug adds color to the room, and a neutral ottoman finishes the space. Those are some very inspiring walk-in closets, and you can use them as a reference to make them in your home. Good luck!